So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on free mode in Facebook. First we have to open our settings, and from here we have to go to the app management and tap on the app setting just below the default apps, and we have to search for Facebook, and right over here tap on that option, and after that you have to go to the storage and cache and simply clear all the storage which is on the bottom. App data will be deleted. You have to open your Facebook again, but in order to turn on free mode you can simply turn off the Wi-Fi over here and it will automatically turn on free mode in Facebook. So this is it guys, thank you for watching. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.